this thing on? No, it's not. It's not plugged in. Hold on, give me a second. Nah, there we go. Okay. Okay. Hello. My name is Jerome, and I am reading.
No, you don't pronunciate it. You just say it. Just say it. Just like a regular human being.
Oh, you say like real words, like real man?
Yes.
Okay, I got it. No, I got this. Hello, my name is Jerome.
So you're doing
No,
it
and
again.
you just say it like you're talking to someone in front of you.
Why didn't you just say that before?
I did say that before. You weren't listening because you're in your own head right now.
Okay, Dean, I get it. I got this, Dean. Dean, all right.
Dean
is a fuck.
That is. We're starting now with me, the better version.
Okay, clearly, I am the one.
No,
my name's Jerome. My name's Jerome.
Okay.
Interrupting me.
Hi. This thing's on, right?
I'm not doing anything.
Okay, it's on. My name is Barry, and I'm the manager of. Oh my God,
These are strong. Oh, I was born.
guys! I'm trying to record.
You stay out of this.
You stay on this, you
You blue little man. Fight you.
Anyway, I'm the manager of KPC, and we're doing a thing over the summer.
Put him up. Let's go right now.
Summer called Summer of Sound,
It's gonna be me actually. I'm gonna touch you.
and
No.
we're releasing music for free.
Alright, you son of a bitch. Alright, listen to me. It's called Summer of Sound. Alright, Summer of Sound. Summer. You son of a bitch. It's mine. I let it in.
Guys, come on.
I was the one who knocked. It's Summer of Sound.
I'm glad we settled that.
Summer of Sound.
Summer of Sound.
Summer of Sound.
That's right. Summer of Sound.
I'm going back to sleep.
We'll go
I'll
home.
see you later, Barry.
Bye.
I want to see your face for like 5 months.
You motherfucker.
I don't really care for the edge of the nightmare. This is my sanity, yeah. It's the summer of sound. It's the summer of noises all around.